Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, this is our fourth video of class 7 computer. In this video, we are going to cover exercises of chapter number 1. Now, see question number 1, fill in the blanks. First part is the physical components of a computer which we can touch and feel are known as dash. So, answer is hardware. Second is dash is the main circuit board of a computer that hold the most essential components of the computer system. So answer is motherboard. Next is dash serves as a connection between motherboard and any connected hardware. So answer is PCI. Fourth is hard disk is also known as dash disk. So answer is Winchester disk. Fifth is the picture on a monitor is made up of thousands of small colored dots called dash. So answer is pixels. Now see next question, true or false. First part is hardware and software are independent of each other. So answer is false. Second is a motherboard is mounted outside the CPU cabinet. This is also false. Third is parallel port is used for devices that do not require high speed transmission. So answer is false. Fourth is keyboard is one of the most important input device used to input data. This is true. Fifth is a digital camera can take only still photographs. This is false. Next is application based question. First is Ria wants to enter number at a fast pace to perform mathematical calculation. Which types of keys will you suggest her to input the data from the keyboard? So answer is numeric keypad. Second is Karthik is applying for a graduate engineering program in the university. He wants to email his application along with the copies of his certificates. Which device will he prefer to create a digital copy of his certificates to attach with his application? So answer is scanner. Now see multiple choice question. First part is which of the following is not a storage device? So answer is plotter. Second is which among the following types of mouse uses laser technology to detect the motion of the ball? So answer is optical mouse. Third is dot matrix printer is an example of dash printer. Answer is impact printer. Fourth is the data transfer rate of CD-ROM is measured in dash. Answer is kilobytes per second. Next is flash drive is also called dash. Answer is pen drive. Next is answer the following. First question is what are the two major components of a computer? Explain them in brief. Answer is computer comprises of two main components. First is hardware, the physical components of computer which we can touch and feel. Next is software. Software is a set of programs which controls the internal operation of a computer and instructs a computer about the work to be done. This is answer number 1. Question number 2 is what is motherboard? What does it contain? Answer is a motherboard is the main circuit board of a computer that holds the most essential components of the computer system. A motherboard mainly contains the processor chip, BIOS, memory chips, external storage controllers and expansion slots. Question number 3 is what is the main unit of computer? What is its function? Answer is CPU is the main unit of a computer. It is alternately referred to as microprocessor. It controls all the instructions it received from hardware and software running on a computer. Question number 4 is what is modem? Mention its types. Answer is modem stands for modulator, demodulator. It is a device which allows a computer to send or receive information through telephone lines by converting digital data into an analog signal. Modems can be classified as internal modem, external modem and PC card modem. Question number 5. Write short note on the following. First is SMPS. So it stands for switched mode power supply. It is essential for safe running of power consuming electrical and electronic appliances. SMPS uses a switching regulator to control and stabilize the output voltage by switching the load current on or off. It transfers electric power from source to low voltage direct current. Second is heat sink. A heat sink is an electronic device which is designed to disperse the heat generated by the CPU. It is made up of metal such as copper or aluminium alloy and normally uses a fan to keep the processor cool. Third is parallel port. It transfers several bits of data together at one time. It is used for devices that require high speed data transmission such as printers, also used to connect scanners, printers, CD writer and external disk drive, etc. Now see fourth part, flash drive. It is a small and portable flash memory data storage device mainly used to transfer audio, video and data files from the hard disk of one computer to another. It is removable and rewritable. It is plugged into the computer's USB port. Flash drive is also known as pen drive or thumb drive. Now students, these exercises you have to do in your books and answers you can note in your notebooks. Thank you.